Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to change your background on Zoom. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. First of all, open your Zoom software and then click on this settings icon and click on background and filters. And after that, here we can see virtual backgrounds option, and from here you can easily choose any background from your Zoom meeting. So if you click on any of them, then it will download smart virtual background, and it can be take several moments to finish download. When your download is finished, you can easily use any of them. And if you click on video filters, also you can use some video filters from here, and also you can click on add image to or add background from your computer. This is how we can change our Zoom background. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. Thanks for watching this video.